Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add music on Canva mobile app. Now, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your design and after that, go on bottom and as you can see this option, elements, just click on it. And here, just type on the search bar, music. And just go on audio section, right over here. Okay, as you can see all the music by Canva. Now I'm going to select this one. Just click on it and it will be selected automatically. There you can see. Now if you want to increase its length, just increase it like this. And if you want to split it, just click on this split option like this. And if you want to delete this a particular part, just click on the audio and just click on delete. And as you can see, so that's how you can add a music on Canva. Thanks for watching.